I get approached on a daily basis about people wanting to start a deal packaging business. And the first question I always ask is, are you actually getting into deal packaging for the right reasons? And do you really appreciate just how much work is involved with a deal packaging business? And more often than not, the answer is no and no. So I just want to address those points in this quick video because I really want you to readjust your thought process around the property business you're trying to buy, around the actual results that you're trying to achieve. Because if we're honest, a deal packaging business is exactly the same as any other property agency. You're as good as the pipeline of leads that you create, the number of deals that you agree, and then of course the number of deals you get over the line and get paid for. And in order to generate a considerable, healthy, consistent income from deal packaging, you're going to have to really be getting those deals into that pipeline quickly, and you're going to have to be getting those deals completed on a regular basis. And that is the part that most people underestimate when it comes to deal packaging. Now, you might think, well, Mark, you teach deal packaging, so what kind of video is this? Well, actually, what I don't want to do is lead you down the deal packaging route as your primary business, because that really isn't what you're interested in. When I set up my deal packaging business, that's what I set it up as. I set it up as a property agency type business that focused specifically on finding deals for my clients, and we originally started by sourcing deals all over the UK. Now, that is not what you want to do. I'm guessing that's not what you want to do. If that's what you want to do, then great, we can help you do that. But actually, what I think you want to do is you want to build your own portfolio, and you think that deal packaging is the way to get going, to build up an investment pot, to be able to buy the properties yourself and then grow your portfolio that way. But what I'm saying to you is you can do all the same activity that you would be doing as a deal packaging business, but instead of finding investors who are looking to buy the deal from you for a fee, how about you find investors that are prepared to lend you the money to buy that property, and then for you to buy that property, put it into your portfolio, recycle your capital, i.e. you refinance that property, you pay your investor back with their interest, and you repeat the process. Now, if you were able to do that as your primary focus with deal packaging, i.e. selling the deals you don't want as your secondary, would that be something of interest to you? I'm sure it absolutely would. And that's exactly what we're going to be focusing our content now moving forwards, because really a deal packaging business is not what you want to set up. What you want to set up is an income stream that allows you to invest in property for yourself. Well, what we want to do now is really focus our content around the other option, which is build a property buying company for building your own portfolio first, priority number one, with a view to monetizing the leads that you generate through the skills that we're going to give you second. And that's what I want you to stay in tune for. That's the plan for Goliath Sourcing Academy moving forwards. And hopefully you're going to be interested in that and you'll tune in to future content.